scramble.
இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க சார்? இப்போ என்ன
இது செகண்ட் லெசன் 5 marks section C.
Okay.
6 marks questions.
Okay, what you
6 marks la out of 6 questions 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 out of 7 questions you have to answer 4 questions.
Okay.
In that, which are the questions we are going to answer is 19th question, 20th question, 21st question and 22nd question. These are the 4 questions. You will get full for that section. Extra, if you want to learn, we will do this. 24th. You can do 23rd. If any option is there, we will do 24th, 25th also. If required, that is not necessary. Till here itself, 22nd question, your entire marks will cover the entire marks.
Yeah.
First, we'll cover up the 4 questions. 6 marks, 4 questions we have to answer. 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd question we'll answer. Now, we'll get the full marks for this section.
Okay.
This is one type of question. One more type of question probably they'll ask is product method. That is not given this year. This question of product method they'll ask.
Okay.
So this is profit and loss appropriation account. So this is the profit given to partners. The net profit is divided to partners. So let's start working on this problem. Loss appropriation. Appropriate means this is the profit only given to partners. So this is a credit side, which all the gains the partners get will add it to this side. All these gains has to be redistributed to the partners on this side. So let's start with the company. What is the net profit the company has got here? Anil and Sunil are the partners. We'll write both the names. Anil, this is Anil, this is Sunil. First we'll write the Anil and Sunil are partners, stated business. They share the profit and loss equally. Equally means what is the ratio is 1:1. Equally means ratio is equal 1:1. That they 1:1. Ratio is 1:1. They invested capital 2 lakhs. On this capital we have to give them interest. What is the percentage of interest? It may be given on the data. First we'll find out, this is the important thing. This is the net profit of the business. This is the credit. This is the credit part of the business, net profit. So we can write profit or net profit. This is the profit earned by the business this year. 80,400. Next we have to check it out. This is the given data. In this given data, only thing which comes in the credit side is interest on drawings. This is the profit to the company. If a person takes any drawings, we need to charge interest. That will be added to the credit side. If it is not given, don't write it. If it is given, write it. This is the interest on drawings. So interest on drawings. So they are not given any percentage, directly they given the interest. That is, interest of Anil is 2,000. Interest of Sunil charged is 1,600. This is the interest which comes into the company account. This is the net profit which has come into the company. So company profit. This is also profit which is earned as interest by drawings. So total what is the amount? 80,000. So if I add it all together, 83,000, 84,000 it comes. So this is the profit which has come from the company, net profit after deducting all the taxes and all.
the total is 80,000.
84,000. If I add up all the things, it will come 84,000. This is 1,000. Okay, 84,000 it has come. I need to distribute this profit to the partners. Anything extra, it will be a net profit to them. That profit will go, that will be partners profit which will go into their capital account. So first distribute the profit. First what we'll do is we'll pay interest to their commissions, interest to their capital. They have the capital. Anil's capital is 2 lakh rupees. On that we have to pay interest. Next, Sunil's capital is 1,60,000. We have to pay interest for it. What is the percentage of interest that will be given in the data? So what is the percentage of interest? Is 10% interest we have to give. What is 10% and 2 lakhs is 20,000. 20,000 rupees we have to give him interest for his capital. This is also 10% for Sunil. Sorry. So what is the 10% of 1,60,000 is 16,000 is the 10% we have to give it to Sunil. This is the first interest we have to give them. Interest on capital is given. Next, drawings, already it has come this side. This is a profit to us. They have to give us the money. Next, salary. If any salary is mentioned, we have to give salary to that person. He'll work as a manager or something. He's a partner, still we have to give him a salary. What is the salary? Annual salary payable to Anil is 6,000. This is per year salary, not month. So per year directly they give. So Anil's salary is 6,000. Next, if any commission is there, we have to give the commission. He works for a commission. Even though a partner, he'll work for the commission. So what is commission amount? Commission amount directly given, no percentage. So commission for Sunil is given. What is the commission amount? 4,000. These are the things we'll directly give to. This is covered, all 4 things. Next, anything remaining we have to, that will be a profit to their partners. That profit will go into their capital account. First, we'll add up all the things. We add up all the things minus to this. Minus to that amount, we'll get the remaining. That will be the net profit, which will be shared by both the parties equally. That is half and half, 1:1 ratio. So first we'll add 20,000, 36,000, 42,000, 46,000 it comes around. So if I minus 46,000 from here, it will come around 38,000 it comes. So 38,000 is the profit of both the partners. This is the profit they have it. This profit has to be shared equally by them because the ratio is equal. According to this ratio, they have to share this profit. So Anil's profit will be, we have to write under column this. We'll make this column. In under column you write it 38,000 equally means half of this. Half of this will be 19,000. Sunil's also will get same amount. Half of this. Equally they'll share the profit. That is 19,000. So all this, both the figures will be same. This is the 84,000. So balanced. This is appropriation. The net profit plus any drawings, interest on drawing added up. Drawing is not given, okay. Any interest on drawing is given, added up this is the credit side balance. This has to be distributed to the partners. First we'll give them the salary, we'll give them their commission if they work for the commission. Any interest on drawing, any interest on their capital is given, we'll give the interest for them. You minus this, whatever remaining is there, that is the profit. That profit, according to the ratio, they'll share it. This profit will go into their capital account, their personal account. This is the profit and loss appropriation account. This comes for 6 marks.